Once upon a time, in the picturesque town of Wakefield, there lived a young girl named Jenny. She possessed an insatiable curiosity and a heart full of wonder. Jenny's days were often spent exploring the enchanting forests that surrounded her town, seeking hidden treasures and unraveling the mysteries of the world. One sunny morning, while venturing deep into the woods, Jenny stumbled upon an ancient, weathered chest concealed beneath a thick canopy of leaves. As she gingerly opened the chest, her eyes widened in awe. Nestled inside was a beautifully crafted golden key, adorned with intricate engravings and sparkling gemstones. The key emanated a captivating energy, as if it held the secret to a world beyond her wildest dreams. Intrigued by its allure, Jenny knew she had stumbled upon something extraordinary. Determined to unlock its mysteries, she embarked on a remarkable journey that would change her life forever. Guided by an old map she discovered in the town's dusty archives, Jenny set off on a quest to uncover the key's purpose. Her path took her through sprawling meadows, across babbling brooks, and up majestic mountains. Along the way, she encountered wise forest creatures who bestowed upon her fragments of ancient knowledge. As Jenny ventured deeper into the wilderness, she found herself standing before a towering stone archway, intricately carved with symbols of wisdom and magic. Her heart raced as she realized that this must be the entrance to the fabled kingdom of Eldoria, a realm shrouded in mystery and guarded by ancient enchantments. With a deep breath, Jenny inserted the golden key into the lock embedded within the archway. The moment the key turned, a resplendent light burst forth, and the gateway swung open, revealing a realm of unparalleled beauty and enchantment. Eldoria welcomed Jenny with open arms, its lush landscapes and sparkling rivers beckoning her to explore. She encountered mystical beings, wise sages, and mythical creatures that shared their wisdom and magic. Each encounter deepened her understanding of the interconnectedness of all things and expanded her perception of the world. Jenny became an apprentice to the great wizard, Master Merlin, who taught her the ancient arts of magic and the secrets of the universe. She learned to harness the elements, heal with herbs, and communicate with the spirits of nature. Jenny's heart swelled with gratitude as she realized the profound responsibility bestowed upon her to safeguard the harmony between Eldoria and the human world. Years passed, and Jenny's wisdom and magical abilities grew. She returned to Wakefield, carrying with her the lessons of Eldoria and a burning desire to share its magic with her own community. She established a sanctuary where people could reconnect with nature, learn the ancient ways, and unlock their own inner potential. After returning from Eldoria, Jenny continued to nurture this sanctuary in Wakefield, where people from all walks of life sought solace and connection with the natural world. The sanctuary flourished, becoming a vibrant community that shared a deep appreciation for the magic of Eldoria and the wisdom Jenny had acquired. One day, as Jenny tended to her garden, a mysterious traveler arrived at the sanctuary. His name was Gabriel, a young man with a heart full of longing and a secret burden he carried. Intrigued by the tales of Eldoria, Gabriel sought Jenny's guidance in unlocking his own hidden potential. Jenny sensed the weight in Gabriel's spirit and saw the glimmer of potential within him. With compassion and wisdom, she shared the story of her own journey and the power of the golden key. Inspired by her words, Gabriel yearned to discover his own purpose and find solace from the shadows that haunted him. Together, Jenny and Gabriel embarked on a new quest, guided by the golden key. They ventured into uncharted territories, facing challenges and unraveling mysteries. Along the way, they encountered ancient prophecies, encountered new allies, and delved deeper into the secrets of Eldoria. Their journey led them to the forgotten city of Avalora, a place of ancient knowledge and ancient sorrows. As they explored its ruins, they discovered a hidden chamber that held a legendary artifact, a sacred book that contained the essence of the forgotten wisdom of Eldoria. With each page they turned, Jenny and Gabriel absorbed the teachings of the book, gaining profound insights into themselves and the world around them. They learned of the delicate balance between light and darkness, the importance of forgiveness, and the power of unconditional love. Armed with newfound wisdom, Jenny and Gabriel returned to Wakefield, ready to share their discoveries with the sanctuary's community. They organized gatherings, workshops, and rituals to honor the teachings of Eldoria and inspire others to embark on their own transformative journeys. Under Jenny and Gabriel's guidance, the sanctuary blossomed into a center of enlightenment, where people discovered their unique gifts, healed their wounds, and embraced their true selves. The golden key became a symbol of unity and transformation, reminding all who held it of the limitless possibilities that lie within their grasp. The tale of Jenny and Gabriel's sequel spread far and wide, attracting seekers from distant lands who yearn to experience the magic of Eldoria and unlock their own hidden potentials. Wakefield became a hub of knowledge and enchantment, a place where the golden key opened not only physical doors, but also the doors of the heart and soul. And so, the legacy of Jenny and Gabriel lived on, as the sanctuary flourished and the teachings of Eldoria continued to touch the lives of countless individuals. The golden key remained a beacon of hope, inviting all who sought truth, healing, and a connection to the extraordinary realms of magic and wonder. Together, Jenny and Gabriel inspired others to embrace their journeys, explore the mysteries of life, and embrace the power within them to shape their own destinies. And as the tale unfolded, the world was reminded that the greatest adventures are often found within ourselves, waiting to be discovered with the turn of a key.